Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss use and scope of Python. Object oriented means all components in the Python are objects. These objects allows Python to work under different concept. Interpreted. Python programs can be run, debugged and tested interactively by the Python interpreters which runs in interactive mode. Means user can run and debug. Extensible and flexible. An application that contains a large amount of code can be effectively organized into smaller modules due to Python dual structured and object oriented programming environment. Means we are using the Python feature of dual structured. Next, rich core library. Many development modules are built into Python and part of the Python standard library. Using the rich core library, you can write applications for downloading the web page, parsing the HTML file, developing the graphic user interface GUI, and so on. Means we have a lot of libraries, built-in library files. Memory management. In Python, the interpreter manages memory, thus removing the extra burden of programmer. But in C and C++, programmer always need to write code for handling memory management and modification. Web scripting and data handling. Python is well suited for internet and intranet application because these applications are dynamic and complex. And at times they need to interact with several environments. Object distribution. You can use Python to implement routines that can communicate with objects in other languages. Databases. Python API includes functions that make it easy to write applications that communicate with different databases. GUI programming. Python support graphical user interface application that can be created and ported to many system calls, libraries and Windows systems such as Windows MFC, Macintosh. Extensible and embeddable. You can add low-level modules to the Python interpreter. These modules enable programmer to add to or customize their tools to be more efficient. Exception handling. When running a program, if Python exists due to an error, it generates complete stack trace of errors. Means stack contains error name and error type. Portable. Python can run on wide variety of hardware platforms and has the same interface on all the platforms. Freeware. Programmers and users are allowed to use Python source in any uses and applications of Python. Python is an advanced scripting language that is being used in various areas. First one is very important feature of the Python is gluing together large software components. C, C++. Second, creating prototypes of an application means user interface. Writing CGI scripts on all platforms, suppose Unix, Windows and Mac. Well represented in the distributed system world. See the list of Python users worldwide including the following: NASA and Digital Creation, Grill and etc. are the worldwide include the following Pythons they are using. Thank you one and all.